Hello railfans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. It's Saturday, June 24th, 2023. We headed out around midday, and we only waited about 10 minutes for this first train to arrive. A southbound CSX manifest train, led by an ES40DC and an ES44 ACH. And here we see one of the new paint scheme CSX coil cars. And another one. And a couple more back here. And even some maintenance of way gondolas mixed in on this one here. And here we have a cut of brand new CSX gondolas here. Simple black and white paint scheme for these ones. And soon enough, the tail end of this manifest train passes by. And right after that train pass, the signal went lunar. There was another southbound coming hot on this train's heels. Three locomotives on this one. A YN2 AC44CW leads, followed by an ET44AH and a GP38-2. A bunch of auto racks on this one. Here we see an old Conrail car. And a Grand River Railway covered hopper. I don't think I've ever seen any of these in person before. And some flatbeds carrying a bunch of wheel sets here. And one of the new white paint scheme TTX Norfolk Southern auto rack. And finally, the tail end of this train passes by. After that, it would be almost another hour before we would catch any other trains. And this one surprised us as it was a Norfolk Southern train. And a nice 3-unit lash up there with a Union Pacific locomotive sandwiched between two NS locomotives. It had been a while since I seen a UP locomotive, so this was a nice catch. And a beat-up Canadian Pacific boxcar here. This one was highballing it out of town accelerating, and it was quite loud with these wheel sets coming around this curve. And soon enough, the last car of the train goes by. After this Norfolk Southern train passed, it was probably another half hour to 45 minutes before anything else would arrive here. A southbound CSX intermodal train led by a CM44 AC rebuild and a Dash 8. A long line of intermodal cars coming under the bridge. And this was interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that shipping container before. And another one. And a freshly painted JB Hunt container on the bottom of this one. And finally, the tail end of this train goes by. No DPU on this one. And that's all the trains we got that day. So, that's all for this episode of French Fried Trains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week.